Hi guys, this is a recap from the last video that I was working on my KALLAX unit. So now my other pieces have come in and I am going to show you where I am right now on this cabinet. Hey y'all, I am just leaving the house. It's about 11:40. I am on the way to a lash appointment, and oh man, it's been a really busy morning, but I look a mess and my car's a mess. One of the kids had a plant the other day, and as soon as she got in the car, spilled. So I got loose dirt, potting soil in my white back seat. So anyway, I'm gonna take you along and with me, and I think that's the only thing I gotta do today, and I'm definitely gonna cook, I promise. I've been saying I'm gonna cook all week, and I have not cooked. I have not cooked all week. I'm headed in. Oh my goodness, guys. I know I'm looking at the clock in the car because it automatically changes, but I think I was looking at my my microwave because I failed to change it. And it is noon and my appointment was an hour ago. So I missed my appointment. All right, guys. I'm getting ready to prepare a couple of meals. This is a HelloFresh, and this meal is the firecracker meatballs, and this is the recipe card. So I'm gonna prepare that, and then I am going to prepare something for the kiddos. Okay, let me see what's in the sack here. Onions, green onions, green beans, breadcrumbs, rice, mayonnaise, sriracha, honey, sour cream, and ponzu sauce or ponzo sauce, anyway, some kind of sauce. All done. It's time for a taste test. That's good. Hey, it's Tuesday morning, and I have had my coffee. It's 10 o'clock. I just got out of bed. I woke up about an hour. Ago, and I just laid in bed and drank my coffee and watched a little TV. And yesterday I got out of bed at 11 o'clock. And today it was 9, or say 10, that I actually got out of bed. So today I'm going to do a little bit of this backsplash situation. I am going to do a little house cleaning, and then I'm going to go upstairs. I'm waiting for, they haven't gave me a confirmation on delivery yet. I might call the store, IKEA, on delivering their bed because I really want to get it up. And then I haven't got a confirmation on those half rounds that I'm trying to finish that cabinet. I feel like once I finish this kitchen and finish that cabinet, I can sit down every single day, because this is supposed to be my staycation. And I get up worrying about doing that kind of stuff. But, you know, I don't know if I told you on a video. I know I recorded it, but I didn't go into details about this mirror. This mirror I got for Home Goods. I think it was around about $99. And it's a kind of gray, rustic. Right now it looks good. I mean, I was looking for the gold mirror from Anthropologie. It's a little taller, and it'll cover up those holes that the TV was hanging in. And of course, that vase I got from West Elm, and those flowers are from IKEA. And this vase is from Home Goods. And then I have the Joe Malone oil scents. It's peony and black suede, and it's almost gone. I have to get a new one. It smells good. It keeps the house smelling good. And never mind that blanket over there. I love to lounge. And I unstacked the books, and I put, you know, the knot. And I got this knot from Target. I got this vase from Target. And of course I got this for the living room, and I got this off of Amazon. Oh, guys, good morning. Today's Wednesday, and it's hump day, and I got a delivery. It's about 9:30, and I got my bed delivered. So the next couple of days I am going to be busy. I am so excited, because I'm always excited, come to think of it, but I am really happy that it come in, so I can kind of complete the biggest portion of my house. And my boards, my slats, sticks, whatever you need to call them, they come in as well. Yay. That bed is on. Hear me? It's on. So I will come back with you a little bit later this afternoon. Okay guys, so I've sit and daydreamed enough. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. And I am finished. I am finished as saying putting the boards on. I got the other ones on. So what I've done on this side is I've sanded. I may have to sand a little bit more. A couple of nails are kind of sticking out. I'll hammer those down. So I've put these. I just finished, and I have to let those dry before I can paint. So I am getting there. It's taking longer than I thought. I wish I was done, but it is, believe me, it's going to be really, really pretty when I'm done. So, yeah. All right, I'm going back downstairs because I think I'm ready to put that bed together. And then maybe I'll cook a little bit of something to eat. This is when you know your favorite socks are done. I won't give them up right now. All right, so I'm going downstairs. Guys, look at my kitchen. Just look how gorgeous it is. And I can say I'm almost done with this. Put some light on. Okay, I'm not finished, so I can't show you everything, but I'm almost done. I have to get my hood hung and then put a little flowers, finish the cabinet, the countertops, and I'll be done.